Hello there and welcome back to this training nugget. Today we have an epic clash between two heavyweight champions in the world of spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Get ready for an exciting showdown as we compare these two powerhouses and help you decide which one suits your needs best. Let the battle begin. Excel boasts a familiar and robust interface with powerful features. It offers an array of ribbons and menus, allowing you to dive deep into data analysis and complex calculations with ease. Plus, it supports an extensive range of formulas, macros, and add-ins to supercharge your productivity. On the other hand, Google Sheet showcases a clean and intuitive interface. With its web platform, collaboration becomes seamless, allowing multiple users to work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously. Google Sheet focuses on simplicity while it still providing essential functions and formulas for most users. Excel shines when it comes to advanced features. It offers intricate data analysis tools, powerful pivot tables, and extensive charting options. Whether you're working with a large dataset or complex financial model, Excel got your back. Google Sheet, on the other hand, emphasizes collaborations and ease to use. It integrates seamlessly with other Google apps such as Docs and Slides, enabling real-time collaboration and easy sharing. While it may not have the same level of complexity as Excel, it covers the essential functionality you need for everyday tasks. Excel's strength is in its desktop application, offering powerful offline functionality. This makes it an ideal heavy duty spreadsheet work, especially when you're working with massive files or need advanced features. However, mobility can be limited. Google Sheet, on the other hand, is a cloud based, meaning you can access your spreadsheets from any device with internet connection. It's perfect for collaboration on the go, sharing live updates, and even editing from your smartphone. Say goodbye to compatibility issues and hello to flexibility. The cost factor is a significant configuration. Google Sheets is available for free with a Google account, making it accessible to anyone. No hefty price tags here. needs best. We hope this showdown has shed light on the strengths and features of both Excel and Google Sheets, helping you make better and informed decisions. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting comparisons. Until next time, keep crunching those numbers and making spreadsheets shine.